Welcome, it's Jonathan, your warm and wise guide to Oak Island. As your realtor, let's figure out if Oak Island is right for you. As a well-traveled human, I want you to lean on me so we can figure this out. For now, these are my top 3 reasons why I moved to Oak Island. The ocean lifestyle. That is our #1 reason for moving down here. And with the beach is formerly known as Long Beach because it is the longest beach, over 10 miles. And what that gives us is a whole almost 60 to 100 points where residents and visitors can get onto the beach or ICW. Amazing, amazing access. Kayakers love all the access points. And the southern beach mellows out the waves a little, so grandparents and kids alike. But you're gonna get some epic days if you're a surfer or kiteboarder. And yeah, amazing lifestyle. And the 8,500 residents here love all the extra amenities that the up to 50,000 population in season brings. So we get to take advantage of those amazing amenities. And for dog lovers, Oak Island is a real special beach because come visit us off season and you will find off-leash time for your doggies. So really wonderful, dog-friendly, family-friendly, and less rowdy. So you're not gonna get these huge college partying beach days. It's very mellow, so that's why we love it. The #2 reason for moving to Oak Island as a realtor and investor is very attractive because of the development growth and the amount of people moving and attracted to the area. So a whole reboot on the planet with remote workers and COVID and traveling. People really wanted lifestyle, so we are getting a ton of traffic coming in. Last year and the year before, double-digit growth on any real estate investment, and that makes it super attractive for my clients for moving down here for a primary home or picking up an investment property or even a second home like a vacation home where they can use it at their convenience, or the real savvy people are picking up a second home and renting it out when they're not using it, because this is also one of the few places in the area where you can do short-term rental. Airbnb is totally free game, and that is funding vacations and retirement schemes and adventures for my clients, meaning they can live here for part of the year or vacation here part of the, when it's not rented, and the rest of the year, all the income coming in is, paying down the mortgage, funding their vacations, or, paying it down. So by the time they're able to retire 10 years from now, they've paid it off and now they can pick up a couple more properties. So this is really exciting. If you are in the construction or development or service trade like EMS, firefighter, infrastructure, city jobs, because of the growth here, there's a ton of jobs, ton of openings. #3 reason why we moved to Oak Island is affordability. For our family to buy a house at the coast in the low 300s, walking distance to an amazing world-class beach in the low 300s, that was a huge reason why we chose Oak Island. Also, because there's a nice mix of residents and visitors, there really isn't much price gouging. There's a slight premium on the island, but within 10-20 minutes drive, you're in other very close cities for shopping, restaurants, and you will find the prices reasonable and as good as any in North Carolina. Also, for our family, we found that gymnastics, horseback riding, swim team, other fun things that the kids like to do, The price is actually even less than in many other cities around the coast. So yeah, overall affordability, big reason why we chose Oak Island. Thanks for coming on my tour and figuring out the top 3 reasons for moving here. Remember, first thing is the ocean lifestyle. Second thing is the economic opportunity for jobs and investments. And third is affordability. I'm happy as a realtor here to video some properties for you or get you in on your next visit, collaborate, figure out if Oak Island is right for you. You have my contact information in the description, text, email, phone, comment. I'm growing the channel, love giving back and helping you really get a feel for the space before you even come to visit or even after you visited and fallen in love. So we're gonna figure out if it's right for you, working together by subscribing to the channel and figuring out more videos for you. All right, see you on the next one.